News that's coming in at the moment from Chhattisgarh. 16 Naxals have been killed in an encounter in Sukma region. Large cache of weapons has been found after the encounter. 2 security personnel have been injured in this encounter. It is Home Minister Amit Shah who said India will be Naxal-free by March 2026. A big statement being made by Home Minister Amit Shah. Home Minister Amit Shah, in fact, has been looking at the Naxal problem over the past many years, and now he's given a deadline. He's promised India will be free from the Naxal terrorism by March 2026. 2 security personnel were injured in the encounter that took place in Sukma in Chhattisgarh. 16 Naxals were killed in an encounter operation. A large cache of weapons has been found after the encounter.
अभियान के दौरान आज प्रातः 8 बजे से लेकर अनेक बार माओवादी एवं सुरक्षा बल के बीच में मुठभेड़ हुई। मुठभेड़ के उपरांत इलाका का सर्चिंग में कुल 16 माओवादियों का डेड बॉडी अब तक रिकवर की गए थे। घटनास्थल से काफ़ी बड़ी संख्या में AK-47, SLR, इंसास एवं अन्य हथियार भी बरामद किए गए थे। आसपास इलाका में अभी सर्चिंग जारी है। इस मुठभेड़ के दौरान हमारा 2 जवान घायल भी हो गए। उनका स्थिति अभी सामान्य एवं खतरा से बाहर है। इस मुठभेड़ में अन्य और भी माओवादी कैडर घायल होना या मारा जाने का संभावना है। उसको देखते हुए आसपास इलाके में अभी भी लगातार सर्चिंग जारी है।
The Home Ministry over the past many days has been looking at this Naxal problem, and they have had several meetings with regards to ways in which one can eradicate the Maoism. In fact, the Home Minister Amit Shah has very clearly said that India as a country is looking to eradicate Maoism by March 31st, 2026. Security forces have achieved great success in various parts of Chhattisgarh. The remaining problem will be solved by next year. So this is something that the Home Minister has said, given a deadline of sorts. Home Minister Amit Shah said, I would like to reiterate that it's my resolve that before the 31st of March 2026, we will completely eradicate Naxalism from the country, and no citizen of the country has to lose his life or her life because of this Naxalism. My colleague Sumi is now joining me on the story. Sumi, we have seen how the Home Ministry has held multiple meetings to make sure that they come out with a plan so that India can become Naxal-free by next year. Home Minister Amit Shah has also said that no person in the country has to die because of this Naxalism.
Yes, absolutely. And the forces are moving quite stealthily into the whole direction. And in fact, Amit Shah has already given a target of March 2026. And India will be Naxal-free. And in fact, Amit Shah has also said that Bharat, Naxal-Mukt Bharat, will be achieved. And this is a huge target. And in fact, quite stealthily, the strategies are also being placed. AI is being used to assess the densely forested areas, and which is why back-to-back these anti-Naxal operations are also taking place. Just a fortnight ago, we had seen how in Bijapur 30 Naxals had been eliminated. And in fact, right now in Sukma also, 16 Naxals have been killed so far. A large cache of weapons have also been recovered, including AK-47, SLR, the BGL launcher, INSAS rifles, .303 rifles. All of these are very advanced in nature. And in fact, it was a joint operation of the Sukma DRG as well as CRPF with the help of the Bijapur forces. And the identification of all the Naxals are right now underway. And as we speak, the anti-Naxal operation is still ongoing. In fact, the search operation is still ongoing. The bodies of 16 Naxals have already been recovered. The death toll is likely to go up. Unfortunately, 2 of the security personnel have also been injured. However, they are not in the critical position. They are out of danger and they are undergoing treatment in a district hospital is what we are picking up. And these combing operations are still ongoing in the surrounding regions. So certainly every day anti-Naxal operations are ongoing in the worst Naxal affected areas, including Sukma, Bijapur, Dantewada and Kanti. These are the 4 districts right now which are heavily in the grip of Naxalism. And certainly Amit Shah and the Chhattisgarh forces, the Chhattisgarh anti-Naxal operation forces are moving quite strategically into these areas, and on the basis of these intelligent inputs, they are now operating these anti-Naxal operations. And what we're also picking up from our highly placed sources within the forces is that one of the top commanders of the DVCM, called Jagdish, He is in fact eliminated in this entire operation as his team was attacked in this particular operation. And Jagdish has been a very efficient Naxal commando, and in fact he was part of the Jhiram Ghati incident, in which a lot of forces, a lot of personnel we had lost, and in fact the top Congress tier was also wiped out in this entire Jhiram Ghati attack that took place decades ago. So what we're picking up is that Jagdish has been eliminated. However, we are awaiting the official confirmation on this. Once the search operations are over and the forces get back to their bases, that's when the entire detail will be divulged out.